Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Sage's Wisdom here, bringing you back with another video. Today we'll be cleaning the Jordan Legacy 312 Rookie of the Year. This is a personal pair that I want to get ahead and just get cleaning. So here goes some of our materials. You see that we have the Magic Erase pad, and we also have the coconut oil that you see me twisting around. And now we're about to go ahead and get a close-up of the shoe. This is how the shoe looks like right now. Alright, so as you can see, there's a bunch of dirt spots and different little things going on with the suede that we have to get rid of. There's also a little bit of paint missing on a couple sides of the shoes on both pairs. On top of that, we do have a little bit of color discoloration going on at the bottom of the sole. Now, this is just a cleaning video, so I wouldn't be actually going through with painting and cleaning up those different aspects of the shoe, but we will clean the shoe to the best of our abilities without doing any repairs. I do also want to mention that the reason why I put plastic bags inside the shoes for it to keep its shape, of course, but also when I start cleaning the upper and the toe box, that the water won't seep through and get on the inserts. So right now I'm going ahead and taking the coconut oil that I have and I'm mixing it in with the solution. Coconut oil is said to lock in moisture in suede, so this is why we're using the coconut oil. You also want to make sure that you unlace your shoes before you start cleaning. I didn't show this with the pair that with the shoe that I'm cleaning currently. Started unlacing the other shoe that I need to clean because I thought that it would be a good idea to unlace that shoe. And I also wanted to go ahead and show you a little bit more dirt with the toe box, and dirt can really form here in this area in particular because it's easy for dirt to get trapped under the strap. So right now you see me go over the whole shoe with the magic eraser, and the reason for this is because I want to make sure that all the light areas of the shoe go back to their original color. And right now, I'm showing you the area where the dirt builds up under that strap. As you can see, we were able to clean completely the toe box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the insert in because we will be cleaning the bottom of the shoe. So right here I'm going ahead and doing circular motions throughout all of the suede that's on the shoe. And the reason for this is to make sure that the suede liven up. Basically what that means is that the suede, once you take your finger and you swipe back and forth on the suede itself, will change darker or lighter depending on which direction you swipe. Sometimes over time, the suede on the actual shoe itself can become kind of dead and dry, and this is why you want to use the coconut oil to make sure that you put the moisture back into the suede so it can continue being lively. The refreshing ASMR. So we can take the magic eraser and try to erase this spot right here, but this is one of the spots that we're probably gonna have to repaint in the shoe repair. And here's the side by side comparison between the dirt shoe and the clean shoe. As you can see, the pair has been cleaned. The only thing we did not do with the pair was do the minor fixes that needed to be done. This would be the repainting of the sole in certain areas. We left that for another time. This was just a cleaning video, so I was just cleaning the shoe to the best of the abilities we could clean it to. But it turned out pretty well. Other than that, thank you for watching the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.